I'm introducing you to Clay more in depth later through the Substack, but I just want it to be on your radar because it's big, it's powerful, and it's going to be quite important for those of us that are taking all the pixel data and creating a pipeline to tell stories, as we're encouraged to do by Bruno Sanchez. So let's just kind of look at this as a brief introduction and then look forward to deeper dives coming forward. So, really quickly, we're in Clay right now and we're using three of the locations that they've loaded into the beta. So, we're looking for solar panels. So, we're going to do area instead of point, and all you do is you find solar panels, and here they are in this zoomed in location. So look, you can pick the whole area. You see how I just traced it and I just found an area. I'm going to add it as a reference. So now it kind of knows what we're looking for. And I'm going to ask it to find similar, find more for me. So now it runs and we see all these solar panels here. If you expand it out, you can see the different tiles. And if the tile is something you don't want, like this one, you can vote it down. And there's lots of other things you can do to make the data a lot more precise for what you're looking for. Just for our purposes, what I wanted to show you is that we can share this data. This is the part you're going to be interested in, is like when you find an answer to your data question or you find patterns, you're going to want to export them and you're probably going to want to look at them over in QGIS. And that's where we're going to pick up the next video. Now, what we do in QGIS is we pull the data over, as you can see, and we can pull it in where we were and we can start exploring these solar grids in California. I just turned off the fill and circled them so you guys could see what it is we're looking at. And then you can zoom in and just see. These are the ones that we picked that were definitely identified. And what I find is really useful here is if I want to see where solar is, I know that if I get a positive hit in Clay, I can zoom to those different areas and then I see the data that I'm looking for. So I use it as like a point, like over here. And then you can bring it into your visualizations in QGIS.